Okay, everybody, here we're at Texas Throw 2021, and we're here with
Manuel Moreno from Northwest Houston.
Oh, nice. I'm from Pearland. We're way down south, but we're checking out his amazing vehicle. We got this from across the park, and we just could not come over here. He's gonna tell us a little bit about it. So here we go.
First of all, 30-inch wheels. It's bagged. All Red Ostrich, pinstriping, Lambo doors, suicide doors. It's all Red Ostrich interior. Took me about probably about 10 years. I've had it probably since high school. And then I got all these got TVs in the tailgate, the split. So I put in a lot of work. It's hard, but it got done. Yeah, it's an interior guy from Mainstream on 1960. Did everything. Did the carpet. There's just a few pieces left that didn't have it.
What was your overall concept when you created this?
It was always just, as a kid, I always wanted a show truck. I would go to car shows and see trucks and then I just was like, man, I want to build one. That's what I wanted to do. Pretty much like one of my cousins that did real, custom work. Friends of mine got custom trucks also. It's just a process.
Is there a certain way the doors open? You got to open one before the other?
More or less, yeah, just so they won't hit each other, but the ammo just come down and close. Nah, it doesn't matter which one, as long as they don't hit at the top. But yeah, you gotta mess with some stuff like that, so then you scratch the paint.
Is it your daily driver also?
No, not at all. There's no way I could, no way. I have a 2007 Magnum.
Besides spending your time and energy and love in this, is there another passion you have, another passion project you got coming as a vehicle, or is this just it for a while? It took you 10 years.
I'm not done with it. That's all I gotta say.
Yeah, you know what? Picasso said the same thing.
There's more coming.
Picasso said the same thing.
Yeah, there's more coming. It's not done yet. It's still under construction.
Yeah, he's never finished. He just kind of stopped. Yeah. All right. Okay. Thank you again for your time. Give us your name and tell us where you're from so we can put it at the end of the clip.
Okay. Manuel from Manuel Moreno, Northwest Houston, Texas.
And what's the name of your car? Do you have a name for it?
It's Clifford.
Clifford, that's nice. The red dog. All right. Thank you very much for your time.
Likewise. Have a good one.
Check us out on carsgowild.com. Subscribe, hit like, do all that stuff you got to do for the internets. All right. See ya.